I'm going to teach you a easy way to make some more money now. So instead of these big picture tactics, I want to make sure these are all included in Level Up the Gym before you decide to join our peer group. Here's something you can do to make some more money now. You want to reach out to your best clients that are on like a mid-level package. Give them a free upgrade. At the end of those 30 days, you ask them if they prefer the service of the upgrade. So you frame it like a gift. Hey, you've been coming 2 times a week for the last 8 months. We love having you in. I'd like to hook you up with it 3 times a week for this upcoming month, because I think it'll help you accelerate towards your goals, and it's a little reward for you being so committed. Give them the free upgrade. Don't change their billing. Don't make it weird like they have to opt out of it. But at the end of the 30 days, did you really like those extra sessions? If you do that to 10 people, you're going to get a bunch of them to continue the upgrade and put more money in your bank account and more results for them, because those aren't 2 competing things. If you're able to get them in more often, yes, it benefits you and also really benefits them. So find some people who are great members who could use it, genuinely upgrade them as a gift, and then ask them if they want to continue at that higher membership level.